Tired of manually adding email addresses to your list, one by one? Let's automate that tedious task. Today, I'm going to walk you through setting up a Zap in Zapier that automatically adds new email addresses from incoming emails to your email list in platforms like MailChimp or ConvertKit. This automation will save you time, ensure no lead slips through the cracks, and help grow your email list effortlessly. First, log into your Zapier account and click on Create Zap to start a new Zap. Now, let's set up the trigger. Search for Gmail or your email provider and select it. Choose New Email as your trigger event. This tells Zapier to watch for new emails in your inbox. Then, connect your Gmail account to Zapier, granting it the necessary permissions. You can optionally filter the emails based on sender or subject line, using filters like labels so that only specific emails trigger the Zap. Then, test the trigger to make sure Zapier can access your emails correctly. Next, it's time to set up the action. Search for MailChimp or your email marketing platform. Select Add Update Subscriber as your action event. This will automatically add or update subscribers in your chosen platform. Connect your MailChimp or alternative account to Zapier. Now, choose the list you want to add subscribers to and then map the email address field from your Gmail trigger to the email address field in MailChimp. You can also map other fields like first name and last name, if available, in the email. Test the action to ensure a subscriber is added correctly to your email list. Finally, give your Zap a descriptive name and turn it on. Now, every time you receive an email that meets your trigger criteria, the sender's email address will automatically be added to your email list. It's that simple.